At JP Woodworks LLC, we specialize in high-end finish work and custom cabinetry, transforming homes with precision, creativity, and passion. With over 20 years of hands-on experience, we proudly serve Troutdale, Oregon and surrounding areas up to 100 miles, offering homeowners personalized craftsmanship and dependable service every step of the way. If you are interested, visit us in our website and you can make your appointment to start working with JP Woodworks as soon as possible. Follow us on all our social media and share this video with your known ones.